Hello good people. Welcome to the Elegant Mart channel. In this video, we will try to list best 5 streaming device. We tried to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. We just try to help you to find your best one. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Thank you. Number 5. Apple TV HD. Apple TV HD, Siri remote, power cord, documentation, lightning to USB cable. 10 by 100 base T Ethernet, 802.11 acres Wi-Fi with MIMO, Bluetooth 4.0. HDMI 1.43, 10BY 100 base T Ethernet, IR receiver, USB-C, service only. Netflix, HBO Now, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, ESPN, iTunes, and thousands more apps in the App Store. Voice search by asking the Siri remote. View photos and videos from your iPhone and iPad on TV. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Amazon Fire TV Stick. A certified refurbished Fire TV Stick 4K is refurbished, tested, and certified to look and work like new. The most powerful 4K streaming media stick with a new Wi-Fi antenna design optimized for 4K Ultra HD streaming. Watch favorites from Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Stars, Showtime, or CBS All Access, plus stream for free with Pluto TV, IMDb TV, and others. Enjoy brilliant picture with access to 4K Ultra HD, Dolby Vision, HDR, and HDR10+. Experience immersive sound with Dolby Atmos on select Prime Video titles. Choose from 500,000 movies and TV episodes. Watch favorites from Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Stars, Showtime, CBS All Access, and others. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Roku Premiere. New. Disney Plus and Apple TV are now streaming on all Roku devices. Experience your favorite TV in stunning detail and clarity, whether you're streaming in HD, 4K. Snappy and responsive, you'll stream your favorites with ease, from movies and series on Apple TV, Prime Video, and Netflix, to cable alternatives like Sling. Plug it in with the included premium high-speed HDMI cable, connect to the internet, and start streaming. It's that simple. It's got everything you need to start streaming, plus shortcut buttons to popular streaming channels. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Roku Streaming Stick. New. Disney Plus and Apple TV are now streaming on all Roku devices. The long-range wireless receiver gives you up to 4x the range and a stronger signal for smooth streaming even in rooms farther from your router. Experience your favorite shows with stunning detail and clarity, whether you're streaming in HD, 4K, or HDR. Nappy and responsive, you'll stream your favorites with ease, from movies and series on Apple TV, Prime Video, Netflix. Power up your TV, adjust the volume, mute, and control your streaming all with one remote. Use your voice to quickly search across channels. Please check the description for details and best price. And number 1. Fire TV Stick 4K. The most powerful 4K streaming media stick. Watch favorites from Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney Plus, Apple TV, HBO, and more. Stream for free with Pluto, IMDb TV, and more. Launch and control content with the Alexa voice remote. Enjoy brilliant picture with access to 4K Ultra HD, Dolby Vision, HDR, and HDR10+. More storage for apps and games than any other streaming media stick. Please check the description for details and best price.